Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Canon 50mm 1.8 EF lens. It's a cheap lens from Canon, $125.99 from Best Buy. Yeah, let's dig in. So it comes in a little box, small, pretty small box, about 2 inches wide, 2 inches. Open it up, and it comes in some bubble wrap, and there's some manuals, warranty card, which I will not be needing. And wrapped in this plastic stuff. Here's the lens. Canon lens 50mm 1.8 version 2. There's the and yeah, it's plastic of course, but it actually has a little weight, not much actually. Really, it's pretty light, cheap. If you were to drop this, you would probably break it. But yeah, it's got your little AFM, MF for manual, not autofocus, in your dock, to line it up. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is for the lens. Alright, thank you for watching.